Hyundai unveiled the US spec 2018 Accent at the 2017 Orange County Auto Show, and it comes packed with many new convenience features. Sadly, the 2018 Hyundai Accent is only available as a sedan in the US market. The hatchback is now exclusively for the Canadian market. Inside, the 2018 Accent has a conservative interior design that features a touchscreen as the centerpiece of the dash and a mix of buttons and knobs for the audio and climate controls. Some of the key tech features included a standard 5.0-inch screen on base models or a 7.0-inch touchscreen on the midgrade SEL and Limited grades. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on the highest trims, along with a small multi-information display in between the gauges. A rear-view camera and Bluetooth connectivity are standard on all 2018 Accents. On higher trims of the 2018 Accent, Hyundai has added a number of new convenience features, including keyless entry start, heated front seats, automatic climate control, and a hands-free smart trunk. Other features found on higher trims include LED daytime running lights, a sunroof, 17-inch alloy wheels, LED taillights, and dual USB ports. The 2018 Accent will also be available with forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking on some models. Certain trims of the 2018 Accent will be compatible with Hyundai's Blue Link telematics service that allows for remote start via the Blue Link app or Amazon Alexa through Google Home or Amazon Echo devices. Compared to the car it replaces, the 2018 Hyundai Accent is 0.6 inch longer, 1.2 inches wider, and rides on a wheelbase that's 0.4 inch longer. The car's new platform is made out of 54.5% high-strength steel, which is 13% more than its predecessor, resulting in a 32% improvement in torsional rigidity in the new model. Hyundai says it has also improved the 2018 Accent's driving dynamics, crash performance, and noise reduction, thanks to the extensive use of high-strength steel.